So, IFRIC, no, IFRIC, no, sa accounting, no, o sa business management, IFRIC, International Financial uh, Interpretations Committee. So, ito yung nag-a-apply ng International Financial Reporting Standards o yung counterpart ng GAAP o yung Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. So, yun yung bagong knowledge natin sa management, no? Kahit gabi na. May natutunan pa tayo yung IFRIC, International Financial Interpretations Committee. So, may ganun pala yun, ano? Bagong knowledge yan. Kasi IFRS yung usually tinuturo sa school. Dinidiscuss yan. But whether collegiate or graduate school, dinidiscuss yan. Pero yung IFRIC, BIRA, no? International Financial Interpretations Committee, IFRIC. So, yun, bagong knowledge lang. Side vlog. So, yun lang po.